So I'm like, oh, it'll make it through.
I think I might just want to yank you forward. That's gonna be more fun for us. Put him in his baby seat and tell him we have Disney ride for him.
Ready.
All right, so we got a couple of calls back to back, and Johnny is currently coaching football. He coaches flag football every year. Awesome. So we're gonna go check them both out. Come on with us. One of them is a big 3500, so we're taking the little truck and gonna challenge the pro. Here we go. Hello, my friend.
Our mistake was trying to back up in and park.
Oh.
You know?
Good to meet you.
Hey. How's it going, guys?
Good, how are you?
Good.
I thought when I pulled up in my little truck, you were shaking your head like that thing ain't gonna do it.
Oh, no.
Oh, okay. All right.
You want us to put a hitch on the back for you?
I got a recovery hitch I might put on. Let me see what it looks like up front. I think I might just want to yank you forward and right down straight like this.
Okay, yeah.
I got a big kinetic rope made by Yankum Ropes.
The rubber bands.
Yeah, I got that kinetic energy in it. We'll just hop her right up out of there.
She's not gonna take much, but
no.
That's why I quit digging.
Yeah, no, you're smart. Sometimes we get here and people have dug for an hour and they dig and then drive a little hard. Dig and drive a little, dig and drive. You can't even see the bumper. They're so low, you know?
I'm used to getting stuck in snow.
Yeah, a lot of times there's something underneath snow, you know? Here, there's nothing down there. You're the one that did call, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I think there's two. I think there's another one up there.
You just told me.
Utility truck down there.
Yeah, that's and another one a little bit further north.
I told him, as I go, man, if I stop, I'm freaking screwed. I could just feel it.
Yeah.
You got to keep rolling.
Yeah, instead of you pulling them out, you're just going to be stuck beside them, keeping them company.
So tell him the guy that wanted to stop and help him also got stuck.
These things happen.
Oh, yeah.
All right. We have a little bit of a internet presence, like YouTube and stuff.
Yep.
So if you'll let us, we record and throw it up and, just have fun with each other.
Yep.
We don't.
Oh, we ever sent pictures back to our buddies saying, well, this is the stupid shit we did today.
Well, you can look us up. We're Santo online, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook.
Yep.
We're on it all now.
Yeah.
I've been doing this for years, but my son came along and started helping me.
Yep.
And when he did, he got us more involved on the internet, and by golly, he ended up getting us a bunch of followers. These young kids, All right, so you're going to be in there. Are you in high or low?
I'm in low right now.
Okay, that's all right. You can just leave it in low. Just remember that your foot in low, you have to give it less gas, lighter on the gas. Feather it just so it doesn't dig you down. Otherwise, it should be an easy bump. I got it. Go ahead and hop in. So you know the drill, it's similar to snow. The only thing that I'm gonna ask you is your wheel is faced that way a little bit. If you can, when we start going, turn it towards me.
Okay.
And then we get right there on the red, we're gonna stop.
There we go.
Oh, this is hard to rock.
Yeah.
I don't think they want you down here.
Yeah, you got it.
Guys, we greatly appreciate it.
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely, I'm glad we were able to get out here.
Freaking AAA, who knows how long it'll be before they show up.
They won't. 2 hours, they'll pull up onto that ramp and go, I'm sorry, we don't go in the sand, we can't help you.
Really?
It happens 10 times a month. I hate it.
Have you guys got any cards or anything?
Yeah, for sure.
Definitely get a card.
Hey, Christian, can you get a card for them in the middle console for me?
In case we do something stupid like this again. Thanks, sir.
Yeah.
My boys are all Army, and One son-in-law's Air Force.
Thank them for their service, man.
Yep.
It's all matters.
My one boy just got back from a year stint in
You want a receipt or no
Nah,
evidence?
over in Africa.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Wow.
Got back time for Christmas.
That's awesome.
I appreciate it, man.
Absolutely. Thank you. Be
Yep.
blessed, guys.
Have a great day.
Have fun. All right. That sounds good. We got him going on the way. Nice folks. We got told that there's another one up here that we got a call from, and I guess another one that we don't have a call from. So we're going to see. There's 2 more up here. Let's go. Hello, my friend. Hey, how are you?
Pretty good.
Did you call by chance?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Because I think there's another one stuck.
Yeah.
Even
the guy
further?
with the yellow bike, man, he's got you a bunch of
Yeah,
business
you got a
today.
three on me right now.
Yeah.
All right, so let me figure out what I'm gonna do. I think I'm probably gonna get you in front of you and pull you down onto that part of the berm.
Okay.
So let me get up in front, we'll figure it
All
out.
right.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah. Dude, that's badass, bro.
Thank you.
We are on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and
Okay.
Facebook.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
Me and my son and Christian
Yeah.
come along here and help people out and document it and share it with folks. All right, let me see if these are ones that we like or we don't like. All right, yeah, these are bolted in. They're not my favorite,
Yeah.
not necessarily the strongest, but 1, I have insurance, and 2, if it breaks, it's gonna hit my truck, not yours, so.
You're okay.
Yeah, that's true.
Sorry.
Thank you, man.
Oh,
Our child's freaking out.
how old?
He's 2.
Oh.
He's just mad because
Hey.
he's not putting there.
I was gonna say I can help him to realize he's not gonna stay stuck, but at 2, I don't even know that he'd know what I was talking about.
Yeah, he's just mad because he got put in a truck.
Yeah,
Yeah. It's not fun when you
Well-
get forced to leave the beach.
it'll be more fun in the truck when I yank you down this hill.
Yeah, definitely.
Put him in his baby seat and tell him we have Disney ride for him.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Well, you can stay out or in. It doesn't matter.
I just don't want him to get stuck.
We're only going right there.
Okay.
And if I get stuck, I'm gonna winch myself and get unstuck. So we should be good.
Oh, yep.
Can you turn your wheel that way at all? It's okay. So you're in drive.
Yeah.
He'll tell you when to go. A little bit early is better than a little bit late. Give it gas medium, not hot rod gas.
Yeah.
And turn your wheel so that we're going down. I'm gonna go down that hill and pull you out at a 45.
All right.
All right, here we go. You ready? If I hit and I sink, I'll back up and we'll do it again. If I sink and can't move, I'll winch myself up. So here we go.
Alrighty.
It's better a little gas a little early than late.
Yep.
It's better gas a little early than late.
Yeah, start creeping onto it a little bit early. There we go. Like a piece of cake.
Oh yeah. What's up, John? All right, your 4-wheel drive's still working, right?
Yeah.
Okay, do me a favor and back up a little bit. I want to try and get you off of this line.
Oh, yep.
Good.
Sweet.
All right. So here's what I'm going to want you to do. It's going to be better to go out down there.
Yeah.
So you're going to turn around down here, going no higher than our trucks are. You can spin around. It's going to be hard right there.
Yeah.
You may want to do a 3-point and not go all the way into the water because it can, get a little soft out there.
Okay.
But just turn around right here and head straight back on this side of the berm. Then when you get down where the people are 10 miles an hour, you can bop yourself back up.
All right.
Hi, puppy. So all I have to say is there's no more crying.
There's no more crying. No more crying.
There's no
man.
more crying. Yes, we love our puppy.
Thank you.
Thank you so
You're very welcome. That's
I
dinner.
appreciate you guys.
Absolutely. I'm glad we were able to help out.
Yeah.
Y'all be blessed. Let me get you unhooked and we'll get you turned around.
Thank you, man.
I couldn't give it all back to him.
Probably Monday on YouTube.
Oh, hell yeah. I'm going to take that to work.
Heck yeah.
Did you give him a card?
Oh,
Hang on, he'll give you a card.
there you go.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you, guys.
You're welcome, man.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all be blessed.
That was sick.
I'm gonna walk you around real quick, so come on, put it in drive and come down the hill with me. Yep, keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Yeah, you can do it. Come on. Come on. You're welcome, guys.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Made both of those look too easy.
Whoop, 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 whoop. With the kinetic rope. Thank you, yank 'em.
Oh, yeah.
Two big trucks. Two big trucks for us, just two sitting ducks. Let's go.
Later that same evening.
Got called out. Supposedly there's a big expedition stuck right here. Oh, look. And there is.
Right there.
Here we go. I have the 30-foot on. I'm just going to leave it because it doesn't matter. It won't matter one way or the other. If I had to turn a corner, that would be different.
Yeah.
These HDs are a little difficult sometimes because of how big the rubber protector is on it. So, you know, sometimes we're going through some really small holes. So sometimes I have to use just the double soft.
Yeah.
But this one has space for me to get into. Prefer to use these, especially when you're on these. Some of these have some pretty sharp back portions to their, just the way the metal's made. So of course that Yankum HD shackle is the best choice when we can use it. All right, young lady.
Alrighty.
So I'm just going to have you in drive.
Okay.
And I'm gonna have my guy Christian standing here with you. And I'm gonna go nice and slow and take off. And when I get the rope tight, you're gonna give it a little bit of gas and we're just gonna cruise on out together.
Okay.
Okay?
Sounds good.
And then I have a little bit of a question for you. Me and my son have a YouTube channel. We're like on Instagram and stuff. Do you mind if we post pulling you out, helping you out?
That's fine.
That's all right?
Yep.
Perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here we go.
Ready.
All right, Christian, she's in drive and
All right,
ready to
are
give
you
it
in
some
drive?
gas, right?
Awesome. Alrighty, just start giving it a little bit of gas. Just a tiny bit. And then, there we go. Push you. Yep. Nice and smooth. That went really easily.
That was an excellent job, young lady.
Yeah, I'm a local and I see you guys towing people out all the time. And I was like taking the scenic route and this is a rental car. So I'm like, oh, it'll make it through. No.
That is great. Well, considering you're a local, what I want to do is I want to give you some of my cards.
Okay.
And I want to charge you half price.
Okay.
Oh, here's some business cards.
All right, that's number 3. Those are like 3 easy peasy. Of course, it's easy with the right equipment and stuff.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome.
All right.
Be blessed.
Thank you.
Subscribe to San Hope.
Here you go, baby.
Like to subscribe to Santa.